The Oral-B IO Series 9 uses a magnetic charging system designed for quick alignment and reliable power transfer. To charge it, simply place the handle onto the magnetic base. The built-in magnets automatically snap it into the correct position, so there's no need to adjust it manually. Once seated properly, the LED ring will light up to confirm charging has started. During charging, you'll see a pulsing white light, which means power is actively flowing to the battery. When the light turns solid white, the toothbrush is fully charged. A complete charge takes about 3 hours and delivers up to 14 days of use with twice daily brushing. If you notice a flashing red light, that's your low battery warning. A solid red light signals the battery is critically low and needs immediate charging. If no light appears, check alignment and clean the charging contacts with a soft cloth to remove debris. The charger supports 110 240V, making it travel-friendly worldwide. For best battery health, avoid constant deep discharges and wipe the charging base weekly to maintain strong magnetic contact.